Spiritual identity is so important. I cannot overstate how important spiritual identity is. What you identify with determines how you show up for life. When you do not identify yourself as the son, the living son of the living God, and son meaning genderless, so living child of the living God, when you do not identify yourself that way, or even understand what that means, because there are people who will call themselves a child of God, but they will behave as if they are a worm of the dust. They will behave as if sickness actually has some authority over their experience. They will behave as if the things that are appearing in their lives are somehow have mastery over them. So it is understanding that you are the living son or child, if that gender bothers you, the living child, the living God, but also grasping what that is.